Hello kids, Namaskar. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. As we have completed chapter number 10 in the last week, I hope you all have understood that chapter. What is the name of the chapter, dear kids? Yes, it was measurement, right? And what we have learned in that chapter, हमने क्या पढ़ा था वो चैप्टर में? We have learned about different measurement, right? How we can measure different things by the help of different instruments. Yes, we have learned about units, standard units. Yes or no? So I hope that you all have understood that chapter, and in the live class we are going to revise. We will revise chapter number 10. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at that time, right? About chapter number 10. So, dear kids, in this video, we are going to take a revision of chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. We are not going to start a new chapter, right? हम new chapter start नहीं करेंगे. We will revise chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. Okay? So, what was the name of chapter? What is the name of chapter? Birds, beaks, cloves and nest. So, as you all know, the heading of the chapter, it is the chapter full of birds, right? We have learned about birds in this chapter. हमने birds के बारे में ये chapter में learn किया था, right? उनकी beaks के बारे में, then about their claws and how they make their nest, right? Different birds have different beak, claws and nest, right? They are all are different. Yes, क्या सब same दिखते हैं? No, their beaks, their claws and building nest is also a different for them. So we have learned about birds in this chapter. So let's take the revision. So first of all, what is a bird? Bird क्या है? What is a bird? So bird is an animal, right? Bird भी एक animal है, but it is different from animal because bird has a different features, right? Animals के पास tail होती है, birds के पास भी tail है, but animals have teeth, birds do not have teeth, they have beak, right? So birds के कौन से features हैं? Like birds have feathers, they have wings, yes, they have claws, they have beak, tail, yes. So this is about bird. What is a bird? It is an animal which has the following features: pair of wings, pair of claws, beak, right? Now let's move to types of feather. See, there are 3 types of feathers in the bird's body, right? There are 3 types of feathers. So, down feathers, body feathers and flight feathers, right? कौन से 3 types के feathers हैं? Down feathers, body feathers and flight feathers. Down feather क्या करता है? It keeps the bird's body warm, right? Birds की body वो warm रखता है. Then body feather, it gives shapes to the body. And flight feather, it helps them to change the direction, right? वो क्या करता है? Yes, it helps them to change the direction while they are flying in the sky. Yes. Now next is, see, we have learned about feathers. Now next is what helps a birds to fly. बर्ड्स कैसे फ्लाई कर सकता है? क्यों सिर्फ बर्ड्स ही फ्लाई करते हैं? क्यों एनिमल फ्लाई नहीं कर सकते? So there are some reason, there are some features in the birds which help them to fly. So what are the feature? So number first is streamlined body. Right, birds के पास कैसी होती है body? Streamline, which help them to move in the air and in the water easily. Then they have hollow bones. Hollow bones means what? Empty bones. Right, they have empty bones in their body which make their body lighter. Yes, जब bones में ही कोई वजन नहीं होगा birds के, so they can fly easily. Then strong muscles to move the wings through air. They have strong muscles which are attached to the wings which make them to fly. Right? Now next is about their beak. As you all know that birds do not have teeth, right? They use their beak for making nest also, right? For feeding their young ones, right? And for eating their food. So different birds have different types of beaks. So our next topic is types of beak. So dear kids, birds like sparrow, peacock, pigeon, they have a strong, short and hard beak. Right? जो sparrow होते हैं, pigeons होते हैं, so they have strong, short and hard beak, so that they can crack the nuts, they can eat the seeds, right? They can crush their food. Then birds like eagle and vulture, hawks, they have a strong, sharp and hook beak. It helps them to tear the flesh. Hook beak होगी, so the beak is very strong, sharp, so they can tear the flesh. Right? Next is strong and pointed beak to make holes in the tree trunk, like woodpecker. Bird like woodpecker, what they do? They make holes, right, in the tree trunk, and from inside the holes they find out insects and they eat that insect. So woodpecker, they make holes in the tree trunk. Next is bird like duck. Right, ducks के पास कैसा होता है? They have a broad and flat beak. Right, flat beak होती है, so that they can filter the water, right, out of the food with the help of the pectin. राइट, हमने देखा था, मैंने आपको उसका पिक्चर भी बताया था. सो दिस इज अबाउट बीक्स. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द टाइप्स ऑफ फीट एंड क्लव्स ऑफ बर्ड्स. लाइक बीक, birds also have different types of feet and claws, right? So here are some example: perching birds, climbing birds, scratching birds, then water bird, wading birds. These are the types of birds which have different feet and claws. See, perching birds में कौन से birds आ जाएंगे? Sparrow, pigeon, right? They have 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. So they can sit on the branch of the tree, right? इसीलिए उनके पास 3 toes in the front है and 1 toe at the back है. Then climbing birds में क्या होता है? They have 2 toes in the front and 2 toes at the back, so that here also climb कर सकते हैं वो easily on the tree trunk. Yes, woodpecker is the example, and parrot. Scratching birds क्या करते हैं? They scratch. Yes, they scratch the ground and then they find the food to eat. Example is peacock, hen. Then about water birds, they have a web feet. Web feet means what? Yes, in their feet there are skins होती हैं उनके feet पे, so that this help them to swim. Then example is duck. Then about wading birds. Wading birds are the birds which have long leg. Yes, that help them to balance in the water. Example is cranes and egret. So then next is types of nest. Then we have learned about nest. हमने पहले बिग्स के बारे में लर्न किया. Then about their feet and claws. And the last topic is about their nest. Right, different birds make different nest. Right, they have their own creative. So the first is cup-shaped nest are built by sparrow, bulbul and hummingbirds. And these are the common birds which we see around us. Right, cup-shaped nest. Next is weaver bird nest. What they do, they weave their nest using grass and leaves. Right, वो क्या करते हैं? वीविंग करते हैं. इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस. राइट, वीविंग करके अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं बाय यूजिंग. यू कैन सी इन द टॉपिक वी हैव लर्न. सो व्हाट दे डू, दे वीव देयर नेस्ट बाय यूजिंग ग्रास एंड लीव्स एंड इट इज़ यूजुअली हैंग. यस, हैंगिंग होता है. इट इज़ देयर इन आवर स्कूल. हमारे स्कूल में वीवर बर्ड का नेस्ट है. नेक्स्ट इज टेलर बर्ड. व्हाट टेलर बर्ड्स डू, दे हैव अ वेरी शार्प बिक. राइट, सो दे यूज देयर बिक एज अ नीडल टू सीव लीव्स टुगेदर. हियर इज एन एग्जाम्पल. यू कैन सी द नेस्ट ऑफ टेलर बर्ड. क्या किया है? विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर शार्प बिक they have sieved the leaves together, उसे fold करके, and they will put inside them comfortable cotton, right, so that they can sit on it. So here we have done the revision of chapter number 8. I hope you all have understood and it is revised. So now let's move to chapter number 9, that is organs and organ system. So the topic is organs and organ system. See, in this chapter we have learned about human beings body. Right, हमने हमारे body के बारे में learn किया था, that how our organs are made and then how our full body is made and which are the systems are present in our body and how much they are important. Right, they are important or not? Yes, of course they are important. So first we will clear the topic organs. What is organs? So dear kids, what is organs? Yes, the part of the body that perform particular function. Yes, it is called organs. See, our human body basic building block is cells. From these cells, our body is made. Then similar cells, they combine and then they join together to form the tissue. Then similar tissue will join and then they perform the similar function and they will convert it into the organs. Right, and from the organs, organ system is made. Right, so first क्या होगा? सेल्स होंगे. सेल्स आफ्टर टिश्यूज, टिश्यू आफ्टर ऑर्गन्स, and then organs after organ system, and then full our one organism is made, that is full ek what we can say human being is made. That's why human being is called a multicellular organism, because in the human being there are so many of cells, right? Now let's see how many systems are there in our human body. So the first is respiratory system, which help them us to breathe. Digestive system, which help us to digest our food. Yes. Skeletal system, which gives shape and support to our body. Muscular system, which help us to move, yes, move our body. Then next is circulatory system. What circulatory system do? Transport food, right? Food and blood. Then urinary system, which help us to remove waste from our body. We can say excretory system भी हम इसको कह सकते हैं. Okay. Then the last is nervous system, which controls everything, right? What we have do with that controls everything, it is in the hand of nervous system. So now let's revise this system, right? The first is respiratory system. It provides oxygen to the body, right? ये क्या करता है? ऑक्सीजन हमारे बॉडी में प्रोवाइड करता है. And which are the organs present in this system? Nose, windpipe and lungs, right? Then what happen? How this system works? With the help of the nose, we inhale the air, right? What we do with the help of our nose, we breathe air, and the breathed air is passed through the windpipe into our lungs, right? So what is the function of windpipe? Yes, it will pass the air to our lungs. Then what lungs will do? Oxygen, what lungs will do? Oxygen को absorb करेगा and it will remove the carbon dioxide, right? Then again with the help of the windpipe, carbon dioxide is removed, is passed, and from the nose it is removed, right? So this is about respiratory system. Next is digestive system. Digestive system में क्या होता है? It helps us to digest the food. Yes. So the food is broke down into simpler substances, right? जो हम फूड खाते हैं वो एक सिंपलर सब्सटेंसेस में ब्रोक डाउन होगा. And what are the organs in this system? Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Okay, these are the organs which are present in the digestive system. And dear kids, they perform particular function, right? इनके भी एक specific function ही है. ऐसा आपने कभी देखा है माउथ थक गया तो वो फूड को अचीव नहीं करेगा? नो, नेवर. So they have a particular function and they do their work. So digestion start in the mouth, where our food is churned and it is broken down into smaller substances. Then with the help of food pipe, it is passed into the stomach. Yes, what stomach will do? Again it will churn, again it will break our food into smaller pieces, right? Then the food is passed into the small intestine. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन क्या करेगा? यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स को ऑब्जर्व कर लेगा, राइट? एंड देन अनऑब्जर्व कंपोनेंट्स होंगे, राइट? इट विल पास्ड इनटू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, राइट? एंड देन the undigested food which is not digested by our body, then it is removed by the anus, right? So this is how our digestive system work. Then next is skeletal system. It is the system full of bones, right? Bones होते हैं ना, and what they do, it provides support to the body and also give shape to the body. They protect our internal organs, yes or no? Then next is muscular system. It is the system which has muscles, and how many muscles? More than 600, right? And along with the skeleton system, means they both, skeleton system and muscular system, they both together help us for the movement. They are responsible for our movement and also joints also, right? Muscular system, skeletal system and joints. Then next is circulatory system. See, what are the organs of circulatory system? Heart, blood and blood vessels, right? These are the organs of the circulatory system. See, जो हमने in the digestive system we have learned that small intestine क्या करता है? जो भी यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं, राइट? जो हमने फूड खाया उसमें से जो भी यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं वो ऑब्जर्व कर लेता है, राइट? सो क्या वो खुद के पास ही रखता है? नो, आवर बॉडी डू मैनी फंक्शंस, राइट? सो जो यूजफुल कंपोनेंट्स हमने स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ने ऑब्जर्व किए हैं, अब उसको सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स में तो ले जाना ना. सो कौन ले जाता है? ब्लड, okay, with the help of blood vessels. So with the help of blood vessels, blood carries the useful components, right? Food है, oxygen है, water है, and then it gives to all parts of our body. Then next is excretory system. It is the system which helps us to remove waste, right? अब आपको थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में इतना ही याद रखना है कि excretory system helps us to remove waste, right? Such as urine and sweat. जो यूरिन होती है वो यूरिनरी सिस्टम्स में से मूव होती हैं, and sweat with the help of our skin. Next is nervous system. नर्वस सिस्टम्स के कौन से ऑर्गन्स हैं? स्पाइनल कॉर्ड, ब्रेन एंड नर्व्स. ये भी सिस्टम में आपको सिर्फ इतना ही याद रखना है कि इट कंट्रोल्स द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ ऑल ऑर्गन सिस्टम, राइट? इट कंट्रोल्स एवरीथिंग वी डू, ओके? एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम एंड नर्वस सिस्टम you all are going to learn in deep in higher standard, right? आपको ये दोनों सिस्टम के बारे में और डीप में आएगा, बट when you are grown up, जब आप हायर स्टैंडर्ड में जाओगे तब. So here we have completed the revision of chapter number 9. I hope you all have understood this chapter. Chapter number 10 का revision we have already done in our live class. See dear kids, we have completed chapter number 10, right? But one question is remaining of skill builder, right? Number 3rd. सो वो अब हम ये चैप्टर में ये वीडियो में कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं. सो लेट्स कम टू पेज नंबर 114, skill builder number 3rd. So let's read together. Meera bought 2 packets, each weighing 400 gram. So मीरा ने 2 पैकेट्स लिए एंड दोनों की जो वेट हो रहे थे वो सेम ही है, दैट इज 400 ग्राम. द पैकेट दैट हैड कॉर्नफ्लेक्स was bigger in size than the packet that had sugar. Now dear kids, हमने फर्स्ट लाइन में रीड किया कि मीरा ने 2 पैकेट्स लिए थे. So 1 packet was of cornflakes and the next packet was of sugar. So but दोनों का जो वेट है that is same 400 ग्राम. Yes, जो पैकेट्स ऑफ कॉर्नफ्लेक्स है उसका भी वेट सेम है विच इज 400 ग्राम एंड जो शुगर का पैकेट है वो भी सेम है 400 ग्राम. बट द पैकेट दैट हैड कॉर्नफ्लेक्स वाज बिगर इन साइज. वो क्यों बिगर इन साइज है देन द पैकेट दैट हैड शुगर? बिकॉज सी डियर किड्स, जो कॉर्नफ्लेक्स होता है वो उसकी जो स्पेस बहुत ज़्यादा लेगा. आपने शुगर को देखा होगा कितनी छोटी सी बैग में भी वो ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में आ जाता है, बट जो कॉर्नफ्लेक्स होते हैं दे ऑक्यूपाई मोर स्पेस. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्पेस वो बिगर इन साइज में पैकेट में दिखेगा, बट जो शुगर है वो भले 400 ग्राम हो बट फिर भी वो साइज में तो स्मॉल ही रहेगा. So why cornflakes looks bigger in size? Because they occupy more space. Okay, understood this third one? First and second we have all. So third one was remaining, जो हमने आज complete कर लिया. So here we have completed our syllabus, chapter number 8, 9 and 10. So your today homework is to learn short question answers of chapter number 8 and 9. What you all are going to do? You all are going to learn short question answers of chapter number 8 and chapter number 9. Okay? So bye kids. Take care. Have a good day.